Hello everyone, I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the Metamorphosis e-learning platform and explore and engage with entrepreneurs on our Flutter community. So firstly, go to the website metamorphosisedu.com and click on sign in. Key in your email ID and password which you've already registered with. If you're a first timer, please do sign up and then log in. Once you've logged in, you're going to land up onto the dashboard. This is called as the member dashboard, and this is where you can access your entire course, your discussion forums, your social groups, and all the activities which are conducted by Metamorphosis. So once you log in, you land up onto the Flutter community, which is also called as the member dashboard, where you can access your courses, discussion forums, social groups, and activities. The same thing you will be reflecting onto the left side. If you click on those three horizontal lines, the toolbar will expand and you can see what each of the icons mean to you. So let's have a quick look as to what each of these icons means and what it enables you to do. So if you click on newsfeed, it's basically an activity feed which is very similar to what you see on Instagram and Facebook, where everybody can share updates, put in interesting entrepreneurial content. Like if you see Metamorphosis has uploaded a blog on a topic which is social media harmful to kids. You can also write about what's running on your mind, what is your business updates, and share it with your Flutter network. So the third tab is the most interesting, which is My Courses. On this tab, when you click on it, you can access all your courses which you have subscribed to. You can click on the All Courses button on top to subscribe to a specific course. So let's have a look at the learning journey. When you click on the course, click on Continue to Learn. You can check out the course content, the lessons which you will be taught. You can also extend each of these lessons to see what topics you will be taught and what are the quizzes. So let me take you through a quick journey of how you can access each of these lessons. Click on Continue. So this is the page where the entire course opens up, right? To the left-hand side, you can see currently you're in the introduction module and you've completed it, and the other topics are remaining with one course. Now, if you want to go to the next lesson, click on the next lesson, which is defining entrepreneurship, and then the video is played. You can click on the play option. Once you've completed the video, make sure that you click onto the mark complete icon, which will successfully enable a blue tick next to the lesson. So once you've successfully completed all the 4 lessons, only then you can access the quiz. Like you see, if I've clicked on the quiz, I cannot do the quiz because I've not completed the 4 lessons. So please make sure to complete all the 4 lessons before you access the quiz. Going back, there's a very interesting feature, which is the dark mode option, which enables you to see the content even in the night, which does not have any strain on your eyes, so that you guys can watch the videos easily at night as well. Going back to the toolbar icons to see what else we have in store. So the fourth option in the toolbar is the groups. They are basically smaller categories which are subjective to a particular course, batch, or various other initiatives. Your counselor will assign you to a specific group which you belong to, and you can also request to be a part of a specific group. On each of the groups, say for example in the School of Entrepreneurship, you have a discussion forum where you can clarify with your doubts with your mentors, updates, or have any questions about the courses. You can post in the discussion forum and chat with your colleagues. Updates about different live sessions and documents will also be shared on the group. So it's extremely important to stay updated on this. So the next feature on the group is the forums. They are discussion forums very similar to Quora. You can post questions on any topics, and subject matters or other knowledgeable colleagues can reply and share their thoughts. You can also create a new discussion forum to start a conversation about a certain entrepreneurial topic or anything related to your course, and have fruitful conversations which will be very insightful to the public who's watching it. The next tab on the toolbar is the events page. This page will give you updates on all the upcoming events. Like you see, we had the debate competition on 30th of Jan, and then we have an upcoming live webisode on the 31st. So you can register and participate in all the events which happen across the year and win free exciting prizes. So the second last feature on the toolbar is the members. This is the page where you can connect with your fellow colleagues, you can connect with mentors, subject matter experts, and you can also chat with them. For example, we've been connected to Pawan Elena already. So you can drop him a personal message, clarify your queries, and do a lot more on the member portal if you want to send personal messages, if you want any help from a specific subject matter. So that's all what the member platform allows you to do. The next one is the blogs. These are the blogs on topics related to entrepreneurship, skill-based topics related to entrepreneurship, and you can stay updated onto the startup industry and surf as much as information you would want to know and keep yourself updated. So this is all about the dashboard, guys. The other thing I would want to tell you is when you click on your profile, go to settings and login information. This is where you can change your password in case you've lost your password, forgot your password, or any of that sort. And we would also request all of you to update your profile picture so that we can stay connected and know each one of us better on. So let me go back to the dashboard. A couple of things you need to know. Your messages will be shown on the top right hand side if anyone's personally messaged you, and also your notifications, updates, newsfeed, event updates would all be there. So please do keep checking your messages and notifications and stay updated. And that's about it on the entire Flutter community and the member dashboard. Enjoy learning and stay connected with the Metamorphosis e-learning platform. Thank you.